Ready to transform your skill set into serious freelance income? Let's dive into how to start earning money on Toptal, the platform that connects top freelance talent with exciting projects. First things first, getting selected is key, which starts with your profile application. Head over to Toptal's website and locate the Apply Now button. Click it to submit your profile, which is the first hurdle you need to conquer. Be prepared to showcase your expertise through detailed experience descriptions and a strong portfolio. Next comes the Toptal screening process. This is really important, since it determines your expertise. Be prepared to show your knowledge in various areas. This may include assessments and technical challenges, so be prepared to be challenged. Once approved, congratulations. It's time to start looking for projects. This is where the real fun begins. On the Toptal platform, you'll find a listings page of projects that match your skill set. Explore and select carefully. Review each project's details. Pay attention to the required skills, project scope, and offered compensation. This is important. When you're ready, submit your application. Successfully complete projects and get paid according to Toptal's payment terms. Make sure you understand the payment structure before starting a project. In order to avoid any surprises, embrace the opportunity to grow both your income and your experience. That's how you earn with Toptal.